If your mind feels restless, your body tense, and your thoughts spinning faster than you can catch, you are not alone. For many women, daily life feels like a constant stream of demands from work, family, and expectations. In that rush, the body forgets how to soften, and the mind forgets how to pause. Mindfulness is not an abstract idea reserved for monks or retreats. It is a practical, science-based practice that helps you anchor in the present moment, reduce anxiety, and restore balance. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can calm the nervous system, lower stress, and create space for clarity to return. In this journey, you will discover 7 powerful benefits of mindfulness that you can begin to feel right away. And after that, we will also explore simple step-by-step ways to bring these practices into your daily life. But first, let us take a moment to understand the difference between mindfulness and meditation, because that clarity will make the benefits even more powerful. Mindfulness is the quality of being fully present. It means noticing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise, without trying to change or judge them. You can practice mindfulness while drinking tea, walking to work, or listening to someone speak. It is about being awake to the moment you are living. Meditation is different. It is a structured practice designed to train mindfulness. Usually it means setting aside a few minutes to sit quietly, close your eyes, and place your attention on the breath, on sounds, or on a simple phrase. Meditation is like the gym, where you strengthen the muscle of awareness, and mindfulness is the skill you then carry into daily life. Understanding this difference between mindfulness and meditation makes it easier to see how each supports the other. With this foundation clear, we can now explore the 7 benefits of mindfulness that begin to unfold once you start practicing. The first benefit is stress and anxiety relief. Your nervous system is always switching between fight or flight on one side and rest and repair on the other. Mindfulness helps tilt that balance. Research shows that even short practices reduce cortisol, calm racing thoughts, and bring a sense of safety back to the body. Once you notice this shift, the next benefit begins to appear. The second benefit is emotional regulation. Emotions often surge before we even notice them. With mindfulness, you begin to see the wave before it crashes. Studies show measurable changes in brain areas, like the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, which are responsible for fear and self-control. This is why mindfulness helps you respond with steadiness, instead of being carried away by sudden emotions. And when emotions settle, the mind opens to the next gift. The third benefit is sharper focus and mental clarity. In modern life, distraction is the default. Mindfulness trains the brain to notice when attention drifts and to bring it back, just like exercising a muscle. Over time, you may find yourself thinking more clearly, staying on task longer, and returning to work more easily after interruptions. With clearer focus, your body also starts to shift in important ways. The fourth benefit is better sleep and body balance. Stress does not leave the body just because the day ends. It lingers in the muscles, in the heart rate, in the tension of the jaw. Mindfulness loosens that grip. Research shows improvements in sleep quality, reductions in heart rate, and even relief from chronic pain. When the body remembers how to rest, another transformation becomes possible. The fifth benefit is self-awareness and grounding. Mindfulness is not about emptying the mind, but seeing it more clearly. You start to notice patterns like shallow breathing, tension in the shoulders, or constant self-criticism. And when you see these patterns, you gain freedom to make different choices. Awareness turns automatic reactions into intentional action. This awareness also shows you that mindfulness can happen anywhere, not only in silence. The sixth benefit is accessibility. Mindfulness can be practiced in the middle of everyday life. Studies confirm that even brief self-guided practices reduce stress. You can bring mindfulness into a walk between meetings, while washing dishes, or while waiting in line. This accessibility makes the practice realistic and sustainable, and with repetition, something deeper begins to grow. The seventh benefit is long-term resilience. The most powerful impact of mindfulness is not just a calmer moment, but a stronger foundation over time. Regular practice reshapes parts of the brain, strengthens the vagus nerve, and builds an inner reserve. Life still brings challenges, but your response softens. You meet situations with steadiness and presence rather than reactivity. These 7 benefits show why mindfulness is more than a passing trend. It is a proven way to calm the body, clarify the mind, and strengthen emotional balance. With this understanding in place, the next question is how to bring mindfulness into daily practice in simple and practical ways. One of the most effective ways to begin is candle gazing. Place a candle at eye level, sit comfortably, and let your gaze rest gently on the flame. As you watch the light move and shift, your mind becomes steadier and more focused. Even when you close your eyes, the afterglow of the flame remains, reminding you of that quiet concentration. Another simple doorway into mindfulness is eating meditation. Choose something small, like a berry or a piece of chocolate, and bring your full attention to it. Notice the texture, the scent, the color. Place it in your mouth slowly and allow yourself to experience the taste fully. By doing this, an ordinary act becomes a meditation, showing that presence can be woven into daily life. A third approach is object meditation. Pick up a stone, a leaf, or any simple item around you. Hold it in your hand, noticing its weight, its temperature, its texture. Look closely as if you were seeing it for the first time. This practice grounds your attention in the physical world and reminds the mind to return to what is concrete and real. Each of these techniques can be practiced in just a few minutes. They prove that mindfulness does not require special conditions, only the willingness to notice and be present. And when these practices are repeated, they lead naturally into something deeper, a way of meeting life with calm and clarity. Mindfulness is not about chasing perfection. It is about returning again and again to the present moment. One breath, one sensation, one small act of awareness can shift the way you meet your day. Over time, these moments add up, softening stress and building a deeper steadiness within. And as the practice grows, it begins to change not only how you feel in a quiet moment, but how you move through the challenges of daily life. Every person experiences anxiety in a unique way. What triggers your racing thoughts may not be the same for someone else. How your body responds to stress also carries its own pattern. You can discover your personal profile in just 3 minutes. I created a short science-based quiz that reveals how your mind reacts under stress and gives you a clear next step to bring more calm into your daily life. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.